Hi, let's create snowflakes using salt and glue. And it's really easy. If you have not watched our How to Draw Snowflakes, you can find the link to that video in the description below. Now, I'm using cardstock in white and light blue, but a piece of watercolor paper would be the better choice for your canvas and the salt and the glue. You're going to need school glue and you're going to need some salt. Start drawing your snowflake. I think I'm going to draw 3. And then go over your lines with the glue. You could then just use glitter like we have in another video, but we're going to do something different this time. We're going to stick with the salt today. Now pour, I really mean sprinkle, salt all over the glue. It's smarter to not overdo the salt. I kind of overdid it. And try to remove any loose salt if you can before the glue dries, before the paint dries, or before the water sets in. See, glue has water in it. And when the glue, which is a liquid, even though it's kind of a gel, when that glue is on your paper, the paper starts absorbing the water from the glue. And when I put the salt all over my paper and I didn't dump it off or take care of the loose stuff, it stuck to where the water had been in the paper. Now it comes off because there's nothing holding it there, but it was a little extra work that I had not planned to do. Once your glue and salt are dry, since I have those little hands helping me, we're going to grab the watercolor paint. You want it pretty liquidy like an ink, and you're going to take your paintbrush, dip it into your liquidy paint, and touch just the salt area.
Look at me, the twelve.
I like it. I like doing art with you.
I'm doing this one.
Let's switch up colors. Ooh.
What is this?
I like when you mix the colors. That's cool. Now, of course, I started with blue because I was thinking just blue snowflakes. That seemed cool, wintry, and happy. Now, what happens next was not in my plan, nor was it the color that I would have chosen.
Oh, black. I'm making black together with it.
Oh,
That's wonderful.
That's wonderful. I wouldn't have thought to do a black snowflake, but it is wonderful.
I'm making all different colors.
But boy, I sure would have missed out on something fun if I hadn't have watched what he was doing. For just a second, I forgot how unique we all truly are. You can hear his thoughts and how much fun he was having. He chose the colors and he started mixing colors. And in the end, it really was a unique artwork and a fun experience.
Poop, 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 poop. I like the poop, poop thing. It's so funny.
Is it a funny word?
Poop, 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 poop.
Let's try another sound. Make a different sound.
Pop, 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 pop. I never make orange back together like this.
Oh, you've never made orange and black together like this?
Yeah, I made orange.
Look how pretty this snowflake is with all the different colors.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Make sure we did this.
You want that one? Maybe a little more water. We were joined by another toddler. It became a team effort artwork. They had so much fun, and they wanted to do more snowflakes. Sometimes we have to let go of what we're thinking.
Whoa, it makes bluish white.
Because I think the salt's poking through. And watch a child create with no hindrance. Right there. It's truly special. You got my hand. In the next artwork piece, I'm going to include the blue cardstock snowflake that I did with this video in this video because I was influenced to try different colors on my snowflake next and be inspired by a toddler.
Oh, you're going to touch up mine a little bit. Okay. I missed a spot, huh?
Yeah.
So sorry.
Oh, this part has a...
Sometimes we can be inspired by the world around us or the toddler beside us.
Hey, darlings.
Hey, can I do it too?
I'll let you do this one. Just the salt. Not the paper, just the salt. There you go. Keep... Whoa. You got to get more paint and hit just the
See,
salt.
it's making a brownness.
Mmm.
Well, it makes a beautiful tool, like Star Wars.
Like Star Wars?
Cece, how did it make?
Lovely. Maybe this one?
This one, black.
Okay. And then what about right in here? Very good. I think it's done.
I'll do another one.
Was that good?
We hope you enjoyed this work of art today. Just like no two snowflakes are alike, your artwork isn't going to be like anyone else's either, and it's not meant to be. You are unique. You're fearfully and wonderfully made, and there is no one like you, and there's no one that's going to do art just like you either.